Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search on products by categories in the Sephora app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Sephora app and go to the bottom and tap on the second icon, the products. Then you will see the categories. Here you can choose for Christmas, for discounts, news, perfumes, for men, for skin, for hair. And let's tap on makeup, for example. Then you can choose to have for skin or sets, or for eyes, for lips, palettes, for example, and tap on palettes. And this is how you search by categories. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.